Welcome to iMath Lesson 1. Look at problem 1 with me. In 2007, the population in a certain state is about 2.87 times 10 to the 8th power. Spending for nursing home care was about $5,745 per person. Approximately how much did that country spend on nursing home care in 2007? We need to figure out a total of money spent. So that is multiplication. And we are multiplying with a scientific notation number. So we're going to take that scientific notation number and multiply to find a total amount of money spent for all of the people in the country, in the state. You will notice that the answer choices are in scientific notation. So we are going to work with scientific notation. I'm going to take the decimal number out of my scientific notation and multiply it by the dollar amount. And then we will bring the scientific notation form back. 2.87 times $5,745 is equal to 16496.76 times 10 to the 8th power. We have a problem with our decimal here. In scientific notation, the decimal always belongs behind the first digit. So this answer is not correct yet. I need to move my decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the right. I am adding decimal places. So I am also going to add those 4 places to my power. So I have 1.649676 times 10, 12 plus 4, 8 plus 4. Gives me the new exponent of 12. But remember this word approximately. You will not find this number in your answer choices. The numbers have been rounded, either to the 10th place or the 100th place. I'm going to look at the 100th place. Right now there's a 4 and there is a 9 behind it. That 9 tells the 4 to go up 1. I'm going to estimate this answer so that I can compare it to the answer choices that are given. You'll notice that both choice B and choice D have the power of 12, but only choice D has the decimal in the right place. That is the answer that we want. So on your paper, you need to note that choice D is the correct choice for problem 1. Look at problem 2 while we review properties of exponents. You will remember that the only time we multiply exponents is when we have what is called a power of a power. When our exponent has an exponent, then we multiply. So 7 is now going to be to the power of -8. When I have common bases, and they both have powers, my bases are being multiplied, my powers get added. So this is going to be +2. My denominator, 7 to the 5th power, does not change at this point. We're still working across the top. When I do my -8 plus 2, I get 7 to the power of -6 with 7 to the 5th power. Division says that I subtract my powers. So this will say 7 to the power of -6 minus 5. So 7 is going to be to the power of -11. We cannot leave a negative exponent as our answer, so we do its reciprocal. So it will be 1 over 7 to the 11th power. Most of the time, you will be asked to evaluate the power, which means it's an exponent. It is still not your answer. So if we evaluate 7 to the 11th power, we get the very long decimal number, whole number, 1977326743. If you have forgotten, all you need to do, 7 caret 11, and you can determine what your denominator needs to be when you have evaluated your power. Please finish this worksheet and take it to your math class today. Thank you.